The fuck is up? Nah.
Mukbang.
So, I mean, my mom and my auntie, not this auntie, just got back from Vegas. They got a bunch of candy for us, and we're gonna have a mukbang basically. Bunch of candy, you know. So I think we should open up right, cause look.
What is this?
And there's lollipops down here too. Okay, so
okay, these are last.
Let's just try that first.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had a little bit. No, we had a little bit of this before.
This is.
It's
Hershey's cotton candy.
It's pretty good. So I mean, it's hot cocoa flavored. So you know, it's just. Here.
Rate it out of 10.
Mhm.
Okay.
Honestly, since you try this, I'm gonna still be honest. Like this is kind of like an 8.5 ish.
I'm gonna give it like a 7.5.
7.
Because it just tastes like hot cocoa, but like in cotton candy, which is what it is.
That's the whole point.
8, 7.5, 8.
Oh, yeah, sorry for the wind.
Okay. Next, try one of these.
Which one should we try first?
Cheesecake. What is this one?
This is the lunch
Pizza?
bag. That's the bakery.
Okay, we'll start with lunch, obviously.
All right, we're gonna start out with lunch. We didn't bring any scissors. Actually, all right. What are we starting out
Cheers
with?
fest, myself.
Let's try out the pizza first.
Okay, I'll have a slice.
So, right here we got the gummy pizza. It's kind of hard with the lighting, but it's the gummy pizza. We're gonna open this bad boy up real quick.
This bad boy. I'll have this one.
This one.
Wow.
Look at that. That's not bad.
10 out of 10. I love these. Ooh, gummy fries?
I'm gonna give it like an 8. Another 8 for me.
Makeup tutorial.
Another 8.
Another 8?
Yeah.
These are my favorite things.
I don't know.
Try a gummy fry.
Alright, let's try the gummy fries. Look at this.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like another thing too.
It's a little fry thing. Oh god.
Careful not to. Oh, car starting up in the back. I like those. Those are pretty good.
Yeah.
I would give that a 9 out of 10, you know.
Oh.
Well, it looks like the wind is picking up. Don't fall. Alright, there's one hot dog, that's the problem.
I don't want this. I don't like Coca-Cola thingies.
Really?
Burger for you.
Okay. Alright. Try the burger.
Next, some mini burgers.
Look at that. It's like in its like own little thing.
I love these.
A little container. Let me take it out of the container.
Oh.
Look at that.
There's a lot of gummy in my mouth right now.
Also a lot of gum. Yeah. It's not bad. It isn't bad at all. I mean, I give it like a 6.
I've had these like multiple times.
Yeah. I'll give this one about a 6. I mean, the burger kind of 6, so you know. And we got the hot dog. We'll split this one in half. We're just gonna split this one in half, Des.
The hot dog? You can have it.
What, really?
Yeah.
Alright, well,
All you.
looks like I'm rating the hot dog by myself. Alright. Oh, it's a 9.
Don't they all taste the same?
A little bit.
Just like different shapes. I'm pretty sure they all taste the same. I feel like this one will taste different.
I give that one a 9. Since she also won't try the Coca-Cola one.
I don't like Coca-Cola.
I'll try the Coca-Cola one.
While he's opening that, look at this. Oh my god. This is a Sour Power
That's pretty good.
Quattro Multi-flavored peelable candy belt. Okay.
Really? Doesn't it look sour?
So long.
We have 3 of them.
You want to open this? Here.
Oh my god. Stop that one. That's just pretty good.
Ready?
Oh my god. They trip off a piece. A lot of sugar. Alright.
Looks just like one of those sour. One
Yeah.
of those things you get at the movie theater.
Sour Roots? Like,
Ugh, no. Oh my god.
yeah.
It's just sour. I mean,
Yeah.
I like them.
I do.
10 out of 10, I love these things.
That's like a 7, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit, the wing's picking up. Like I said. Nah, man. I don't like stuff like that. Alright, well, should we do the lollipops and then the dessert?
I don't want a lollipop.
Really?
No, I don't want one.
It's kind of like stupid.
Jojo, see you want lollipops?
No, this is not promoting nothing. Well, not promoting anything. So now, looks like we got the bakeries. Bakery goods. You know. Let's open this up. So the first thing I immediately want to try
Oh.
is the fucking strawberry, bro.
The what? No. I want to try that.
You want to try the cheesecake?
Yeah, after.
Let's try the
You can
cheesecake.
try the strawberry.
Let's try the cheesecake.
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Open this bad boy up again. Ooh, look at that. What color would you like? There's pink, purple, and yellow. I'm gonna go with purple.
Ew, why do they like that?
Purple. Oh, what the heck?
Ew.
Alright, ready? 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Mm-mm.
That ain't it, bro.
They're like marshmallows, but
Yeah. Oh,
wait,
that's the same
let's show
taste.
the consistency. That's like a weird
Oh.
squish. It's weird.
That one's nothing. Don't try the pink one. Don't try the pink one and purple mixed together.
That was gross, actually.
That was kind of weird. Ew.
What's this?
Alright, so there's donuts. That's kind of cool. Let's try the donuts.
Yeah, I'll try a donut.
Alright, let me get some.
These look a little better.
Got it. You choose the yellow one. I'm gonna go with turquoise.
You have a nice yellow donut.
Get up. Turquoise one.
Looks like lifesavers.
It does, yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Tastes exactly the same
Yep.
as everything else.
That's kind of weird. Which one you want? The orange or the?
The orange? What? What
There's
is
the orange
this?
one. There's this orange.
Yeah, what is this?
Orange and green.
Is this a milkshake? I'm confused.
Okay, you can try the milkshake.
Is this a milkshake?
Let me see. This is like a. It is like a milkshake. You can try the milkshake. Yeah, I'll try the strawberry.
Okay, this is my last candy.
Really?
Goddamn.
Bro, we have a cupcake.
I'm gonna just try the cupcake thing. Try that.
Yeah, try the strawberry. It's like a proper gummy this time. Look at that. That's pretty good. That is the first
Does
10
it
I'll
taste
give
different?
it. Yeah,
No way.
that is the first 10. I actually like that one a lot.
Mukbang.
That tastes good. Alright, which one you want this? Green or orange? Pick
Orange.
orange.
Hopefully it tastes like an orange chipotle.
Hopefully.
How do you spell mukbang?
M-U-C.
Mukbang. Is this like that? Mook?
I don't care. Whatever works, bro. Alright, yeah.
Shout out to Ryan's YouTube channel. Mukbang.
It's like little cupcakes.
Okay.
Look at this thing. Look at that. Oh shoot. The lightings. It's like a green cupcake.
We have an audience.
It's got like
this is
cute
10
little,
minutes long.
cute little swirls to it at least. So I mean,
Oh,
that's pretty nice.
wait. Mine comes off.
Yeah, no, mine's has it. That's awful. Oh shoot, this feels spongy.
Look
Yeah,
at that.
she's got the orange one.
Wait, let it focus in.
Just-
There we go.
There you go. See like that.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. This isn't bad.
Mine actually does taste like an icicle.
Mine does. Mine tastes like lime.
Really?
That's pretty good.
This is the best one. Oh, look, there's like the
Oh yeah. It must be what it is.
cupcake is 10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 9.5.
Probably my favorite thing here.
Alright, well, there's only one milkshake, and she doesn't want to try it. So, it's milkshake.
Enough candy for me.
Look at that. Looks kind of weird. Look at that. It's like a milkshake, sort of. But, let's check it out.
This is not my angle.
That's
How is it?
good.
Good? Better than the cupcake?
Better than a cupcake. So it's a 10, bro. Is this raspberry?
Like and subscribe. Comment down below. My channel is...
Are you
Forgot
self-promoting right now?
my channel. No. 'Cause no one can find my YouTube channel. Holy fuck.
I'm taking all these. Alright, yo. Thanks for watching. If you watched all the way through, make
Do
sure
you have a
give
YouTube
this video-
channel?
No, it's seriously.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
This is gonna be on it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
She doesn't, yeah.
You don't know mine, I don't know yours.
Then thank you for watching all the way through. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Only, you should. Because, I mean, this pizza's pretty
Because we
good.
just did a stellar
This pizza's
mukbang.
waiting.
Mukbang.
So,
Mukbang. Peace out.